Hello everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to auto-sending message on Facebook. First, open the software and go to Messaging function and choose Messaging. Next step, set up some general configuration like interval between two actions or switch account on consecutive errors. After that, choose content you want to send message. I will choose content I have already set in the software. And you can also choose allow duplicate content between accounts or actions. Then, choose message configuration by profile ID, by friend, or by page ID. I will choose message by profile ID and put the profile ID into software. You should set the number of messages each account can send to avoid affecting the account. One more optional selection is interaction with the profile's UID. You can choose or not. Finally, choose accounts you use to send message and click Start. The software will auto-sending message for you. Very easy, right? This software helps you save time in searching for data on Facebook. If you are interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.